Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're counting down the top 10 Korean short hairstyles that every woman should consider. The classic short bob is a timeless favorite, coming in at number 10. This style is simple, easy to manage, and elegant. It's typically cut neatly in line with the jawline, with layered or bangs accents to add dimension. Next up is the Korean-style pixie cut at number 9. This style is perfect for those who want to make a statement. It's characterized by a longer front and shorter back, with side bangs for a softer look. The C-curl bob is another popular choice, coming in at number 8. This style is simple, feminine, and classy. It's typically cut just above the shoulders, with the hair ends curled inwards for a dynamic look. The layered bob is a great option for those with thin hair at number 7. This style relies on hair layers to create dimension and volume. It's suitable for all face shapes and can be styled in various ways. If you're looking for a hairstyle that's easy to maintain, the layered bob is a great choice. It's perfect for busy women who don't have a lot of time to style their hair. The shaggy cut is a retro-inspired style that's perfect for those who want an effortless chic look at number 6. This style brings a retro vibe with a modern touch and is suitable for all hair types. One of the best things about the shaggy cut is its versatility. You can style it in many different ways, from messy and undone to sleek and polished. The blunt bob is a sleek and sophisticated style, coming in at number 5. This style is characterized by a neat and straight haircut without layers. It's perfect for those who want a low-maintenance hairstyle. The asymmetrical bob is a bold and modern choice at number 4. This style features one side of the hair cut shorter, while the other side is longer. It's perfect for those who want to make a statement. The undercut model is an edgy and stylish choice, coming in at number 3. This style features the sides and back of the head cut short or shaved off, while the top is left longer. If you're feeling adventurous and want to try something new, the undercut model is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to stand out from the crowd. The fringe bob is a cute and charming style at number 2. This style combines the classic bob with Korean-style bangs. It's perfect for those who want a sweet and feminine look. Finally, at number 1, we have wavy short hair. This style is feminine, playful, and charming. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free hairstyle that's still stylish and trendy. We hope you found this countdown helpful in finding your next hairstyle inspiration. Remember to always consider your face shape, hair type, and personal style when choosing a new hairstyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.